WOWT starts with breaking news.
Breaking tonight, the Nebraska Supreme Court says it will hear a constitutional challenge to an abortion initiative set to go before voters in November.
As Brian Master reports, it seems similar to one before the Supreme Court 4 years ago. And Brian's here in the studio to explain.
John, the Nebraska Supreme Court will hear the case Monday morning in Lincoln. It's over the initiative from Protect Our Rights. It's a grassroots campaign that turned in 207,000 signatures to protect access to abortion. If approved by voters, it would overturn Nebraska's 12-week abortion ban by amending the state constitution. Opponents argue the initiative violates the state constitution because it violates Nebraska's single subject rule. Attorneys for the Thomas More Society say that because the initiative includes the fundamental right to abortion and the right to an abortion for certain health reasons like the life of the mother, it's two subjects and not one.
This is a radical and deceptive initiative, and all of those things that I just listed are separate subjects. What we're arguing is that the voters won't have a chance to vote on these separate subjects, whether it should be abortion till birth, whether it should be without interference from the government, whether it should be a bunch of healthcare practitioners involved.
Protect Our Rights, the group behind the petition, has argued that the petition's legal. They followed all the appropriate steps along the way from the Secretary of State, and that opponents are just looking for any way to have a total abortion ban. 4 years ago, the Nebraska Supreme Court took medical cannabis off the ballot at a very late stage, saying they needed to break it into two petitions. This year's petition drive for cannabis did just that. One ballot measure to legalize it, another creating guidelines for growing and selling it. Again, this is a rare challenge over the abortion rights petition granted by the Nebraska Supreme Court. It'll be heard Monday morning. It's a short timeline. The Secretary of State must certify what's included on the November ballot 4 days later. On your side, Brian Mastery, 6 News.